In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up ShipRocket integration with Shopify for Indian dropshipping. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to seamlessly incorporate ShipRocket into your Shopify store, optimizing your shipping logistics and enhancing your customer satisfaction. First, let's head over to your Shopify dashboard. If you haven't already logged in, go ahead and do so now. Once you're in, navigate to the section labeled My Store, which should be prominently located on your home page dashboard. This will serve as the starting point of our setup journey. Next, we need to find the settings. On your Shopify dashboard, you'll find a menu with various options. Look for the Settings option and click on it. This section is like the control center of your Shopify store, where you can adjust all the various complex settings to optimize your shop's performance. Now that you're in the Settings menu, it's time to move on to the Apps and Sales Channels section. Once you locate this option, go ahead and click on it. This is where you'll manage all your Shopify apps and sales channels. By adding the right apps, you can enhance your store's functionality and improve customer experiences. After entering the Apps section, you should see an option for the Shopify App Store. Click on the Shopify App Store link. The App Store is your go-to marketplace for tools and features to help automate and improve your store's operations. Inside the App Store, you will see a search bar. Here, type in ShipRocket and press Enter. ShipRocket is vital for streamlining your shipping processes, especially if you're involved in Indian dropshipping. It connects your store with various courier services, helping ensure your products get to your customers efficiently. From the search results, you should see ShipRocket listed. Click on the listing that says ShipRocket to get more details about the app. Here, you'll find a wealth of information about what ShipRocket can offer your Shopify store, from shipping automation to seamless order management. Once you're on the ShipRocket app page, you'll want to look for an option that says ShipRocket Ecommerce Shipping. Click on that option to further explore this powerful tool. By integrating ShipRocket with your Shopify store, you'll have access to bulk shipping, courier integrations, and more, which significantly enhances order fulfillment. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully navigated through the process of integrating ShipRocket with your Shopify store. This setup will streamline your logistics and give your Indian dropshipping business a competitive edge. Stay tuned for more instructional videos that can help you elevate your online store.